Hey, good morning, everyone. Nick here, NIC, Johnson RV, Medford, Oregon location. Want to do a quick video for you of this new arrival. This is a beautiful pre-owned 2015 Leisure Travel Unity 24 TV model with the rear twin beds. With the rear twin beds, you get the beautiful frameless windows. You get the additional storage that will go all the way through, located in the back of the Unity. Lots and lots of things to talk about on this beautiful 15 at Johnson RV. You can check it out online at johnsonrv.com. If you have any questions, give someone on the team a call. You've got full body paint, large power awning, outdoor security lights, a decent amount of exterior storage compartments all the way around. 50th anniversary on this one. All your upholstery is set to match. Again, a 2015 with under 40,000 miles, so tons of life left on this Mercedes diesel engine. You've got a 2-burner cooktop, deep stainless steel sink, solid surface counters, crazy amount of interior storage, pop-out television, high point microwave, large fridge and freezer, massive shower on the left, bathroom on the right, rear twins, great usable floor plan, again, with lots of windows to enjoy the view and the crosshair ventilation. You've got the Mercedes chassis, again, under 40,000 miles on this beautiful leisure travel 2015 at Johnson RV, price to sell. If you have any questions, give someone on the team a call, 458-226-2472, and have a great day.